Cash awards totaling 134 million have been made to the estates of men killed during the May 2010 incursion.
How much? 34?
134 million. It says sums amounting to 102.4 million have been paid to the estates of 14 men whose right to life may have been intentionally violated. So the sums range from a low of 6.1 million to a high of 13.7 million. Remember the committee chaired by retired Justice Seymour Panton had suggested payments to the estates of the deceased following recommendations by the Commission of Inquiry into the events of May 2010. They say breaking down the payments in three categories, A to C. The committee said that the compensation to the estates falling in category A covered payment for the men whose constitutional right to life had been violated. In category B, the estates of two men whose right to life may have been violated by the use of mortars have received $9.4 million. And according to the committee, individuals listed in category C, there are therefore no express findings of liability of the state. The report, of course, was tabled in Parliament on Wednesday.
And those folks obviously would not get anything.
Right, which is what they're suggesting.
Gotcha.
They say in the members of estates of 13 men who died during the incursion received a total of 22.8 million, ranging from a low of 779,000 to a high of 3.3 million. So
does that mean we're closing the books on this one?
It seems so. Category A, 14 overall, 102 million. Category B, 2, 9 point something million, and category C, 3, 22,798,000 overall, and that brings it up to 134 million.
That's how many people?
It says 14, 16, and 13 would be 29 overall.
Right. But how many people died?
But it said 70. But
70.
apparently they're saying some of them, as the right to life says, it suggested that their life may have been intentionally violated.
I gotcha.
I suspect that means that
they weren't. We know what that means.
In other words, they weren't the aggressors, but it happened
to them. So that's I guess that's progress, and the Prime Minister has apologized in Parliament. So all right, so that's civil incursion. Taximan. Well, we can't.
Yeah.
Tired of talk about it. We can't.
The Transport Operators Development Sustainable Services, they've appealed to its members in the public transport sector to be extra careful. This is after, in Portmore, I think it was night before, a well-known operator was robbed and his throat slashed. The group says the sector is under siege from all angles with no ending in sight. We are urging sector members to be very vigilant in their operations, to refrain from carrying strange people at night and to communicate with other operators.
You know, that has got to be one of... I mean, we quarrel with taxi drivers all the time about how some of them behave on the roads, but when you think about it, you know, that job is like a lottery, you know. You don't know ever.
And it's a necessary job.
You don't know who's coming into your cab, you don't know their intentions, you don't know...
So you wouldn't have been proud of me yesterday.
What did you do?
So, right here. So, again, a man just decides, say, he want to cut in on me. So, I kind of decide, say, I'm not going to let him in. So, well, him start cussing me.
This is right by the four-way?
Yeah, well, as soon as you go across.
Yeah, okay.
So, I let him in. But people, me kind of lose it quietly. So me just go up back beside him, right by the next side of the road and pull up beside him and roll down with him. So I said, we want to mash up the car and cuss me and me have the right. Then you know what bun me to? Then him says me and him starts smiling. He said, no man, no man, yesterday me just couldn't take it no more, man. I fed up at them now.
Let me explain something to you.
I fed up at them. So then him said, all right, we said just go on, man.
This is a silly season.
Yeah, but...
Wait, no, it's going to get worse. And there are a lot of people out there who are not so patient, and you might do that, and somebody might retaliate.
I know, but as I said yesterday,
it's not worth it.
I know,
and
I accept that.
So just swallow it.
Yeah, but you know, we're not perfect, you know. That
I know, but some people have done that, and it's ended up very badly.
So I have the right of way, which is what I said to him. I said, Bridget, I don't do anything.
I have
the right of way, and you try to push me out of the road.
Bridget, have you seen us going on right away still a thing? I know,
It
no,
ought
right
to be.
away. I don't think it exists anymore.
I know, but I'm not perfect. And yesterday, I just kind of lose it.
You need to
quietly.
be careful.
Thank
No
God
more
we are
quietly
right still.
losing it.
Yeah. All right.
Birthdays.
So let me start all of them now. Happy birthday to Iselin Singh. This is from your children, Marlon, Nadine, and your grandchildren. Happy birthday, Iselin. Happy birthday to Clinton Williams. Greetings coming from your wife, Pearline, your friend Claudette, who works with us, and the rest of the family. Tavia Anderson is tomorrow. Tavia, I hope you have a great day. Your mom, Noreen, and your dad, they love you like crazy. Yesterday, Kelima Pinto. Kelima, I got it yesterday, but I got it a little late, and it's from your husband, Petrado. Saturday, which is tomorrow, Brianna Samuels, she's 8 years old. Brianna, hold on, Brianna. I think I have a picture right here of the great
How
Brianna.
do you make out those birthdays that you scratched down there? Because
Yeah.
everything is like in one clump.
Here's Brianna. So that's Brianna. Tomorrow, Brianna is 8 years old. So, Brianna, I hope you have a brilliant day. It's from your mom, Denise, and your dad, Brian. Brianna Wisuko. There is Brianna.
Hi, Brianna.
Marlene Anderson. Wait, no, I think I have Marlene here somewhere, Tina. Don't move in, Marlene, because I know you're waiting to see
Want your
this.
birthday on Small Jamaica?
Yeah.
Call them a bell.
Wait, no,
1-888. He'll
wait,
get it
if
done
Marlene
for
no look
you.
like we can't find him. We can't find him, no, Marlene. But Marlene Anderson is tomorrow from your daughter, Mavoy, your grandson, Derage, I think. And tomorrow is also Beverly Darling's birthday. And it's coming from your daughter, Crystal, Slowly, and the family. And I have one more, and I know I have this picture. I know
think
no, I have it.
True
Bless
word.
Bless
Thank you.
all right, here. Wait, no, but I find my boy. I find Marlene. See, I hope it's Marlene. See,
Jesus
Marlene.
Christ, is it-
Marlene, I hope it's you.
This is a risky run. Ladies, when you send him the pictures, label them, please.
Yeah, see, that is Marlene.
Are you
Yeah.
sure that's Marlene there?
Yeah, I'm sure it's Marlene. And now, this is Shanae Pringle. I'm positive this is Shanae.
How are you positive?
Positive. They call Shanae the Pringle boss.
She's pretty.
Yeah, Shanae is from Sheffield, Westmoreland.
Shanae's got a beautiful smile, beautiful
And
eyes.
the greeting is coming from your beautiful cousin, your wonderful cousin Michelle,
Shanae,
and
I'm
the rest
hoping
of the
that's really
family,
you,
and
'cause-
from us. We cover everybody.
I'm not sure, no, but
Me-
you
me
still have
say-
a minute and 33 seconds, so you should do some more.
Wait, no, don't I say. Wait, man, I have another thing right here. I have one more. Wait, don't move it up.
That's too good to be true.
No, man, this one, I just get this one. All right. Well, I hope this is Shania. Shania Wright. Don't this is Shania Wright here? Yeah, man. Shania Wright is from your dad, Kian, your mom, Nicola, and your brother, Kieran. No, that is Shania right here? Yes, man. That is correct. So
You
I
have a
think
minute
I'll
and
cover.
6 seconds. Go, do some more.
I'll
Quick,
cover
quick, quick.
everybody.
We have
no,
some
man.
more people
Shania,
cover.
Wait,
You've
something,
done
Wait, no,
those.
something just come in again. What?
The breaks are long.
But I have 52 seconds.
Mary, Joe, Joseph,
Me cover everybody.
John,
And Robert.
Peter, Robert.
Happy birthday.
Suzanne.
Yes, man.
Yes.
We must cover everybody.
Happy birthday
Hold on,
to all of
something
you.
over here, so.
Take it, Master.
No, man, I have that too.
Take it, Master.